Hey, good morning, class. I sure am missing having you here, and I hope that you're working hard at home. I just wanted to introduce our spelling words to you for this week. We have the new spelling pattern of OU and OW, and these letters together make the sound ow. So let's read through the words together, and then let's break apart their sounds. Brown, cloud, cow, how, mouse, mouth, out, town. Now, one rule that you can use to kind of help you learn how to spell these on a couple of these words, when you say a word and you hear the ow sound at the very end of the word, it's always going to be spelled with the O-W. So that will help you get down cow and how. Let's just break those sounds really quick. So we have ka, ow, ha, ow, how. And also another rule that you can use to help you remember how to spell out. When the ow sound comes at the very beginning of the word, it's going to be spelled with an O-U. So let's do out. Ow, t. Okay. The rest of these words, it's going to take practice to get them to be able to spell them with which one is the OW or the OU. But there's just a couple of hints for you on those. Let's go back up to the first word, brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. B-R-Ow-N, brown. Cloud, C-L-O-U-D. C-O-L-O-W-D, cloud. Mouse, M-O-U-S-E, ow, mouse. Mouth, ow, mouth. And let's go over to town. Town, T-O-W-N, ow, town. Okay, and your review words from last week. Roar, or, roar. It's that bossy R making all those letters say or. Or, born. Okay, and here are some words that are going to be in your story this week. Instead, O, thought, color, early, nothing. Early and nothing are your bonus words for this week. They are kind of a little bit gel words because they don't really follow our spelling rules. Early, so all three of these letters are making that sound. E. Early. So that's one that you're going to have to learn how that sounds and what it looks like. E-A-R-L-Y, early. Nothing is a word that we can sound out. It's just the O is a little not doing what it's supposed to do. The O is making a sound. Let's listen to that. Ing. Nothing. So you guys can sound that out pretty easy. Just remembering that the O makes the sound. So two letters that make the sound, TH, and then our three letters that say ing, Okay, good luck, you guys. Work hard.